here you got these really shitty MLI 699 computer speakers. It claims to have a built-in 14-watt amplifier that's providing 7 watts per channel. It does not sound like it's 14 watts. It has a single volume control, headphone jack, they're magnetically shielded. The specs, I already said that. Stupid caution labels. Claims it's 14 watts total, 2 times 4 full range speakers. They claim it goes down to 40 hertz. It does not. It sounds like it's 120 hertz. It's definitely not 120 watts PMPO. So they sound horrible. Let's take a closer look at them. So these are very shitty speakers. That's like a 2x3, I think, or a 2x3.5. It's definitely smaller than 4 inches. I'm gonna show you what's inside these speakers. Definitely I don't want to make too much noise. Let's take a look inside these. Before I blow these up. I'll show you the amplifier soon. See if they're really 7 watts per channel. Are they gonna come apart? Oh my god. At least they're okay. Look at that. I hear Claire saying that. They're 3 watts. That is not anywhere close to 7 watts. That's pathetic. These are very shitty speakers. It's 2x3. Look at that. Very tiny. They're very pathetic speakers. I hate these. They sound very tinny. They got no bass. The Kingo speakers actually sounded better. These are the worst 3-watt speakers. Quality control past my ass. This one has the amplifier inside. Are you kidding me? It's not completely sealed up. It's supposed to be a ported enclosure. Here's the inside. Very cheap ass speakers. Here's the amplifier chip. I think that's the amplifier chip. It's 2025. Stupid macro mode. Trying to get that off. These just store like crazy. It's definitely not as bad as the Anchor and 135, but it's still very shitty. not much going on to this board. I don't even need to take this board out. See if I can get the speaker out for you. These are definitely going to be blown up, for sure. Or shit with the driver. Oh my god! Look at that! It is so cheap. I fucking hate these. So yep, this is it. Thanks for watching.